How to produce the same polycarboxylate superplasticizer product as the one you are currently using. If you are currently purchasing finished polycarboxylate superplasticizers from other manufacturers and want to produce polycarboxylate superplasticizers yourself through our powder products to achieve your current results, let's conduct experiments together to determine how to imitate the formula of the current product. Before experiment, we need to prepare these materials. Prepare a polycarboxylate superplasticizer that you are currently using in your batch plant. Prepare our samples: FRPD02, FRPD09, FRPD18. Sodium gluconate, white sugar, SEV air entraining agent, 1700 water retaining agent. Other tools to prepare include electronic scale with an accuracy of 0.01 gram and solid content meter. If it is mechanical mixing, prepare a mixer. If it is hand mixing, prepare 2 basins and 2 trowels. Prepare sand and mix it evenly. Prepare gravel. Prepare fresh cement that has not been dampened and mix it evenly. Prepare an electronic scale with an accuracy of 0.01 kilogram. The mix ratio of concrete is 1 cubic meter. We convert it into the mix ratio of 5 liters concrete. Let's test its solid content first. You can use the drying method. You can also use the solid content meter method. We use this solid content meter to measure its solid content. You can see that the reading of the solid content meter is 18. Therefore, its solid content is about 18%. Based on the daily average temperature of 30 degrees centigrade, we determine the amount of sodium gluconate used. It is calculated to be about 48 kilograms. The amount of air entraining agent is about 1 kilogram. Calculate the amount of FRPD02. Is about 130 kilograms. Water 819 kilograms. We prepare admixtures according to this formula for testing, to imitate the admixtures you are currently using. Weigh 66 grams of FRPD02. Weigh 24 grams of sodium gluconate. Weigh 409.5 grams of water. Stir the solids in the beaker until they are completely dissolved. Then add 0.5 grams of SEV air entraining agent. Stir evenly. Test the solid content of the prepared admixture. The solid content of the two samples are close. This reading is 17.5. It can be adjusted through experiments. Weigh 18.5 grams of the admixture you are using now. Weigh 18.5 grams of the admixture we prepared. Weigh to equal weights of water 775 grams. Weigh for 0.4 kilograms of sand. Weigh for 0.95 kilograms of gravel. Weigh 1.85 kilograms of cement. Prepare two portions of the same material for comparative testing. On the left side is the admixture we prepared ourselves. On the right side is the admixture you are currently using. Premix cement, sand and gravel. Then add water and admixture. Manually stir the concrete in the basin evenly. Imitate the workability of concrete mixed with polycarboxylate superplasticizer. The effect is similar to that of concrete mixed with polycarboxylate superplasticizer in use. If the retention time of workability is not enough, the purpose can be achieved by adjusting FRPD18 or replacing part of FRPD02 with FRPD09. For detailed process, please see our powder polycarboxylic acid usage video. Different personnel feel the workability of concrete. Because the solid content is 0.5% lower than the product in use. We can adjust the formula and test again to achieve the target effect. The solid content meter reading of the product in use is 18% and is an estimated value. The solid content meter reading of the polycarboxylic acid superplasticizer we configured just now is 17.5. According to the maintenance of concrete workability, we increase the amount of FRP-D18 by 20 kilograms. According to the ratio of FRP-D02 to FRP-D18, 1:2. Adjust the amount of FRP-D02 to 120 kilograms. Through calculation, we produce 1,000 kilograms of polycarboxylic acid superplasticizer. Water consumption is 809 kilograms. Sodium gluconate 48 kilograms. FRP-D02 120 kilograms. FRP-D18 20 kilograms. Estimated solid content is 19%. The reading of the solid content meter is about 18%. The formula can be determined by repeating the experiment again. When your concrete has slight bleeding, or your concrete has a small sand ratio and poor workability, you can add 1700 water retaining agent, which plays a role in retaining water and increasing slurry. Its dosage is 20 to 40 kilograms per ton of admixture.